Well, guys, here is the brand new Rheem. I didn't think I'd be saying this again, but here we are. I watched the whole replacement on this thing. And yet, I've noticed it does have a little bit of a rattle. The last one didn't, but that's fine. And the compressor sounds really nice. Oh wow. That's probably about outdoor temperature, and wow. That is very ice cold and sweaty. Yep, Copeland. And I need to get the data on this thing. Oh wow, yeah. It's the same thing basically. 2025, 1.5 ton. 14 SEER. And yeah. Installed by Jones Heating and Air. Of course, I watched him do it. Broad Ocean fan motor. And the downstairs is also running. Climate Tough Rheem. Yeah. Just shut off. Climate Tough reciprocating. 2010 2-ton. Scott. I still don't know what kind of motor it is. But yeah, now you can really hear this thing run, so. Yeah. That air is warm coming out the top. And yeah, our suction line is probably around 20 degrees, I would imagine. And the liquid line is probably around 80. And yeah, A2L. I was hoping this would be a 2026. But that's okay. I bet this is sitting in the factory for a while, just like the other one. Whoa. Oh, it got bent up right here. Ooh, I don't like that, but anyway. It's working great. So yeah, this is pretty much, it's a new Rheem, not brand new. So, yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of it running, and it has not been cycling because it said it's been having to cool the upstairs, so I'll probably get a startup of it. I'm not sure, but anyway, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.